Hey, this is David again. This sneezing prank on my sister. So what you need to do? Don't mind this is like don't mind. But what you need to do is get some water in your hand like that. Don't even have to act like I'm just saying. She's saying me something. Say what's up to the vlog. What's the crowd? It's a prank. It's a prank. It's just water. Just water. I'm gonna let you see the video. Girls, it's a prank. It was just a prank. It was just water. Hey. Bro, move. Chill out. You already on the run. All she did is just pull his shirt. Yeah, subscribe to this short prank, but subscribe, like, comment down below what you guys want to see next. Share, turn in the post notifications bell, and make sure this video get to 25,000 likes.